Morgan Stanley says a new survey reinforces its view that Elon Musk's involvement in Twitter has contributed to negative sentiment momentum in Tesla shares. Morgan Stanley says nearly three-quarters of survey respondents believe the Twitter situation has accounted for at least a significant portion of Tesla's recent share price underperformance. Here to weigh in, Colin Rusch, Oppenheimer Managing Director and Senior Research Analyst. And I don't know, if I were to talk to Morgan Stanley about it, I want to know whether these respondents, Colin, were in a position to actually sell shares of Tesla, or opinions are, we know what opinions are like, so they feel that it has something to do with it. That doesn't make it, so. That's why, I can give you about 1 million reasons why NASDAQ stocks have gone down in the past year.
So with the Morgan Stanley survey, one, we haven't seen it, and secondly, we don't typically like to comment on other competitors' research. But what we can say, definitively is that sentiment around the stock has been relatively sour, and certainly there's a lot of concern around the brand damage that this Twitter acquisition is doing for Tesla. There had been the sense that Tesla was on the right side of some of the socially conscious issues that consumers are concerned with, and I think with the Twitter acquisition, that gets much more muddied, and there's certainly a lot of pushback around being involved in Twitter from a variety of folks, and I think that's reflecting on the Tesla brand and the Tesla stock right now.
So people that were totally tuned in to climate change and wanted to do something good for the environment, if something appears on Twitter that they feel is beyond the pale in their world, they won't buy electric. They were that committed to saving the planet that they won't buy a Tesla EV anymore. They won't buy a Tesla EV anymore because Elon Musk is a meanie and lets bad things come onto Twitter. Come on, Colin.
Listen, that's wildly overly simplistic, and you know that. And so as we look at this, it's really around
then explain
brand sentiment.
Connect the dots for me. Then why? Do you So do you think Twitter? Do you think Tesla?
Someone that people trusted, and I think he's eroding some of that trust right now. And I think that's what's going on here.
So you don't buy a Tesla? But you buy it because you trusted Elon Musk to be a good person in your view, and now you don't like the car anymore because something mean is on Twitter.
To conclude that from what I just said, but what we can see is certainly there's additional vehicles on the road for folks that want to buy EVs. Tesla had been the only option, and so that enhances the competitive landscape. And I think there's a concern around too much power being consolidated in single hands with some of these billionaires, and I think that gives a lot of folks some pause around the ecosystem of options for consumers and the broader power base and where things sit, having gone through a very tough election cycle for many folks.
So anti-billionaire backlash is going to affect whether people buy Teslas? That's another point you just made? Is that, how about Amazon?
Yeah,
people not going to have packages delivered anymore because Jeff Bezos is rich?
I think there's a lot of people looking for multiple options around some of the consolidated, economic activity. Certainly with a variety of, options, for deliveries and whatnot.
What's your rating on Tesla now, and what do you have a price target?
I'm still bullish. And our focus on Tesla has really been around the technology, and we continue to see them as at least 3 years.
You were just arguing with me on that point.
Other folks. I didn't argue with you on the technology point at all.
Okay, so what's your price target?
Consumer sentiment.
What's your price target?
My price target's north of $400. We feel very good about where they're sitting from a technology perspective.
Even with those mean tweets.
And we see them continue to cycle in front of additional in front of their competition in terms of the position that they're at from a cost perspective and driving new technology.